Whoa. So I want to show you the easy button because writing an email can take a lot. It can take a lot of brain power. It can take a lot of energy. It just can take a lot, right? If you want to get the VIP pass, this will help on the call so much. All right, so let's just go ahead and see what's going on in here. Sadie made us an inbox payday email generator. And so over here, you have the inbox GBT. And then if you like Claude, over here, you could just click on this and upload it to Claude. It's a skill. You don't need to do this. This is not anything that, hey, do this. No, this is just an extra bonus for people who use Claude. A lot of people move from ChatGPT to Claude. So we're, trying to help everybody. This is the GPT, and I will be going through all of these. There'll be extra videos coming real soon for each and every one of these GPTs. If you do not see them, they will be there before the workshop. All right, so the next one is the Play Picker cheat sheet. So you get something like this, and then you get also a GBT that pretty much does what the Play Pick. So you can either do visual or AI. Like it's tools to use. All right. Um, then this is the one that you'll be using on the call mainly. These are just like little things, little GBTs to help with the process. Then there is a email audit checklist, and it will go through each one of the plays. And I'm going by this fast so that you guys can't look at it until you get into the VIP. All right, so there's also a GBT to go with the checklist. It's just basically just a little tool to go through the email checklist. You would just put your email, copy and paste your email in there, and it will let you know if you did everything in the email, and then you have all these little checklists for each email play. The next one is subject line, and you guys, is subject lines are very, very, very important. It's what gets the person to look at your email. You can have the best email going on, and if they don't open it, they won't see it. And then I have a GBT that goes with the image above. So visual AI. And next one is next one is 25 emails, 5 for each one of these plays. There's a Google Doc right here. And templates are hit and miss. Sometimes it's just easy to have them to start, and then you can change them all up. We trying to get you to get rid of all the excuses, and hopefully this will help you. All right, and you never know, there might be more bonuses. I'm just saying, we don't know. I'm pretty sure they will be. So get the VIP pass. It's $25. How many GBTs we're going to give you? We're going to give you 1, 2, 3, 4, and then email templates. $25. I think this is a no-brainer. Plus, it will save you so much time on the call. Like I'm telling you, you could probably write about 3 emails, 4 emails, maybe 2 to 3 emails on the call with this. With this, but mainly with this very first one. Go grab the VIP pass now.